As the disciples were gazing up towards heaven, angels appeared unto them and said, This same Jesus, which is taken up from you into heaven, shall so come in like manner as you have seen him go into heaven. This is your daily devotional. Maranatha, the Lord is coming.
Maranatha, a devotional by Ellen G. White. When the loud cry sounds, and that knowing the time, that now it is high time to awake out of sleep, for now is our salvation nearer than when we believed. Romans 13:11. The end is near, stealing upon us, stealthily, imperceptibly, like the noiseless approach of a thief in the night. May the Lord grant that we shall no longer sleep as do others, but that we shall watch and be sober. The truth is soon to triumph gloriously, and all who now chose to be labourers together with God will triumph with it. The time is short. The night soon cometh when no man can work. The time is coming when there will be as many converted in a day as there were on the day of Pentecost, after the disciples had received the Holy Spirit. Many have let the gospel invitation go unheeded. They have been tested and tried, but mountainous obstacles have seemed to loom up before their faces, blocking their onward march. Through faith, perseverance, and courage, many will surmount these obstructions and walk out into the glorious light. Almost unconsciously, barriers have been erected in the straight and narrow way. Stones of stumbling have been placed in the path. These will all be rolled away. The safeguards which false shepherds have thrown around their flocks will become as naught. Thousands will step out into the light and work to spread the light. Heavenly intelligences will combine with the human agencies. Thus encouraged, the Church will indeed arise and shine, throwing all her sanctified energies into the contest. Thus the design of God is accomplished. The lost pearls are recovered. During the loud cry, the Church, aided by the providential interpositions of her exalted Lord, will diffuse the knowledge of salvation so abundantly that light will be communicated to every city and town. The earth will be filled with the knowledge of salvation so abundantly will the renewing Spirit of God have crowned with success intensely active agencies that the light of present truth will be seen flashing everywhere.